An unprecedented internal war has erupted between tax agents and federal prosecutors, permanently changing your future taxes. At the center lies a covert lawsuit designed to force extreme scrutiny on the ultra-wealthy, shaking financial institutions. Dedicated rebel agents now defy their own superiors to expose massive systemic loopholes that protect elite billionaires from audits. Based on our findings, should these rebellious agents succeed, the Treasury will deploy aggressive auditing strategies targeting everyday Americans small. This high-stakes battle is not just about politicians. It represents a permanent transformation of the global tax enforcement paradigm. For years, deep within secure vaults, the IRS kept these ultra-wealthy tax returns guarded under maximum security protocols. But a select group of rogue agents decided to bypass high-level obstruction, sparking an unprecedented legal civil war. Their ultimate target is not just one politician, but the entire complex system that shields the ultra-wealthy from audits. If these IRS agents succeed, the Treasury will deploy a highly aggressive audit algorithm targeting every single American taxpayer. Based on our findings, this means your personal bank accounts and business transactions could soon face unprecedented levels of federal. But this legal battle reveals a deeper, hidden rift between rank-and-file IRS agents and Department of Justice lawyers. Agents demand aggressive audits on the billionaires, but prosecutors often block these cases to protect wealthy political interests. If IRS agents win this historic lawsuit, it will shatter the traditional power balance of federal tax enforcement forever. Based on our findings, this newly unleashed regulatory power won't stop at billionaires. It will inevitably trickle down to every day. You must prepare for a rigorous new era where even minor financial discrepancies could trigger an immediate federal audit. IRS agents are demanding powerful enforcement tools, permanently shifting the delicate balance between federal oversight and your personal financial privacy. Inside the high-security vaults, prosecutors search for historic legal precedents that could authorize continuous automated surveillance of private bank accounts. This massive systemic shift means artificial intelligence algorithms could soon analyze every transaction, deduction, and transfer you make daily. Based on our findings, standing under the heavy weight of justice, attorneys argue whether administrative convenience justifies sacrificing the fundamental. Your business deductions and digital payments are the ultimate targets in this quiet, high-stakes battle for total regulatory dominance. Behind closed doors, IRS agents are preparing complex algorithmic strategies designed to scrutinize every single electronic transaction you make. This legal victory would instantly unleash advanced artificial intelligence networks to flag minor inconsistencies in ordinary business accounts. Department of Justice lawyers warn that expanding these auditing powers will strip average taxpayers of their basic financial privacy. Based on our findings, once the ultra-wealthy precedents are established, the system inevitably turns its heavy machinery toward everyday citizens. A new era of tax enforcement is coming, and this secret lawsuit is the spark that will ignite it. If the IRS wins, agents will gain unprecedented tools to pierce through shell corporations and complex offshore accounts. Historically, auditing the ultra-wealthy required immense resources, leaving the federal agencies severely outgunned by high-priced corporate defense attorneys. Our deep investigation reveals the shift now arms street-level auditors with unprecedented legal backing to challenge corporate giants. based on our findings. Consequently, any victory here establishes a powerful precedent, streamlining aggressive audit procedures that will eventually affect. Once these aggressive protocols are standardized, every small business and independent contractor faces a much higher audit risk. When the IRS scales these sophisticated legal tactics, their focus inevitably shifts from billionaires to average self-employed taxpayers. Automated systems and artificial intelligence will analyze your bank deposits, instantly triggering red flags for any minor discrepancy. For everyday citizens, an audit is not just a financial hurdle. Based on our findings, by bypassing traditional executive-level approval, individual agents gain unprecedented power to launch deep-dive investigations into your. This historic legal shift permanently alters the balance of power, turning everyday tax filing into a high-stakes legal gamble. If federal agents successfully bypass the Department of Justice, they establish a precedent that dismantles executive protection for wealthy elites. Our investigation reveals this newly claimed federal authority will not stop with billionaires as agents seek vast transaction networks. Armed with fresh legal backing, sophisticated auditing algorithms can now scrutinize minor discrepancies in your digital transaction history. Based on our findings, by weaponizing these tools, the Treasury aims to close the trillions-dollar tax gap directly from middle class. No taxpayer is entirely safe when a single lawsuit dismantles decades of precedent, shifting the ultimate burden onto you. If IRS agents secure the power to force high-level audits, the system will rapidly scale these aggressive tactics downward. Armed with new legal leverage, tax authorities plan to utilize sophisticated algorithmic tools to monitor your everyday transactions. Every minor deduction you claim on business expenses could soon trigger automated red flags under these newly expanded protocols. Based on our findings, while billionaires employ teams of elite attorneys, ordinary taxpayers will now face these relentless audits without. This historic lawsuit isn't just about a president's wealth. It's the blueprint for a modernized, highly invasive tax system. Based on our findings, if IRS investigators secure these records, algorithmic profiling will immediately target complex high-net-worth individuals. Consequently, the federal tax agency plans to deploy advanced artificial intelligence to scan routine business deductions with absolute precision. This systemic shift means average citizens face a higher probability of audit as federal enforcement mechanisms become fully automated. Legal experts warn that local tax courts will soon overflow with disputes, rewriting decades of constitutional financial privacy protections. Your personal bank statements and digital transactions could soon fall under the permanent scrutiny of these newly empowered federal agents. Advanced AI algorithms could soon analyze your Venmo transactions, flag every transfer, and automatically trigger unexpected audit notices. This shift turns ordinary banking into open federal territory, exposing mid-sized businesses and independent contractors to unprecedented government scrutiny, no longer reserved for billionaires. Automated surveillance tools will dissect your deductions, income reports, and personal savings accounts effortlessly. If IRS agents successfully establish this legal precedent, tax compliance moves from annual filing to constant real-time federal surveillance. Based on our findings, your financial privacy is on the line, and the outcome of this historic battle will dictate. If the IRS successfully establishes this powerful legal precedent, no individual account remains safe from relentless, deep-dive government scrutiny. Your personal bank statements, business transactions, and private digital ledgers could face aggressive, automated audits without warning or recourse. This dramatic shift transfers immense power from taxpayers to federal agencies, forever altering the balance of financial privacy. Based on our findings, every citizen must now prepare for a new, highly scrutinized reality where tax codes are weaponized with. The ultimate question is no longer when this law takes effect, but how quickly you can protect your assets. While federal courts deliberate this landmark case, expert financial strategists strongly urge taxpayers to audit their personal filing systems immediately. A single unfavorable ruling could unleash automated audits across middle-class brackets, catching millions of everyday Americans completely unprepared. Security protocols are rapidly tightening, forcing local businesses to document every single deduction with absolute, unimpeachable physical evidence. From what we discovered, the friction between powerful federal agencies signals a massive structural shift that will redefine tax compliance. Ultimately, the destiny of true wealth protection belongs solely to those who adapt before the final verdict is delivered. As courtroom doors close, the real battle begins across America, forever altering how every household handles annual tax audits. These historic precedents mean federal agents will gain unprecedented tools to scrutinize ordinary bank accounts and daily transactions. Compliance is no longer just for billionaires. Standard filers must prepare for much stricter federal scrutiny starting today. Based on our findings, understanding these changing legal boundaries remains your strongest defense against an increasingly modernized tax system. The ultimate financial winners are those who actively prepare before these new governmental enforcement policies become federal law. Stay ahead of the game, prepare your finances today, and ensure you are fully protected from future tax policy changes. If you found this legal breakdown valuable, please subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments.